Unggulan Namaste, my dear Tandikasian, Naratkas are discussable technology of complementation or is another example problems. Hopefully we are discussing about the X-ray, neurobiology and its corresponding problems. Okay? So to open your textbook page number 292. Okay? Now what to it? Learn about the exercise. What to it? Evaluate the following. Means what? Evaluate means what? You have to find the value of the given question. Okay? Means we have to find the value of the given simplification value. Okay? That is nothing but evaluate. English. What to it? What works? Tan 36 degrees by cos 54 degrees. Okay? In tan 36 degrees by cos 54 degrees, first of all we have to check the sum of the angles. Okay? First of all we have to check the sum of the angles. Means what? We have to check whether the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees or not. Okay? If the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then we have to change any one angle. Okay? And in each situation, we should not change the both angles. Okay? If we change the both angles, we cannot get the simplification value. Okay? So we have to change any one angle. Because sum of the two angles is equal to 90 or 180 or 220 or 360. Then we have to change one angle in terms of other angle. Okay? Means what we have to change the first angle in terms of second angle. Okay? Now see here, 54 by 36. 54 by 36 hours 90. 54 by 36 hours 90 degrees. Means what? For suppose theta out the theta is 90 degrees. So we have to change any one angle. Okay? So let us change tan 36 degrees. So tan 36 by cos 54 equal to tan 90 minus 54. Tan 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. Okay? By cos 54 degrees. Cos 54 degrees. Okay? Now that is in the tan 90 minus 54. How? Here see 54 with 36 equals 90 degrees. Okay? In this we want only 36 degrees value. Okay? So we are sending the 54 degrees value to the right hand side of the equation. So that is equal to 90 minus 54. Okay? So in the way of 36, we are substituting the value of 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. Okay? Now see here. Now the numerator is the numerator is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta means in the what coordinate. In what coordinate are positive. So there is no change in the symbol. Okay? Now 9 is an odd number. So technology is change. So tan 90 minus 54 equal to cos 54. Cos 54 degrees. Okay? By cos 54 degrees. Okay? Cos 54 degrees. Here we have to write, since tan 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Okay? Equal to cot theta. The formula which we are using in the given problem. Okay, that we have to write here. Tan 90 minus theta equals cot theta. Means what is the value of theta? 54 degrees. Okay, now cot 54 by cot 54. Get cancel. Okay, then what is it? 1 by 1. Okay, equal to 1. Okay, means what? Therefore, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees equal to 1. The statement you have to write in the examination after completion of your problem. Okay, for that you can get a half mark. Okay, now next problem, second one. Okay, I think so you understood. If you find out, come to school and clarify your doubts. Okay, now second one. All problems are in the same manner. Okay, now second one. What is second one? Cot 2 degrees. Cos 2 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Okay, sin 78 degrees. Okay, now here see 12 by 78 equal to 90. So 78 equal to 90 minus 12. Okay, same in the first problem how we discuss, same in the same way we have to discuss. Okay, 12 by 78 equal to what? 90. Into what theta 100 theta 2 equal to 90. So we are changing one angle. Okay, so now I am changing 78. Okay, we can change any one angle. Okay, in the first problem we have changed the trigonometric ratio. Now in the second problem we can change the second trigonometric ratio. That is nothing but cos 2 degrees, cos 2 degrees, cos 2 degrees minus sin 90 minus 2 degrees. Okay, sin 90 minus 90 degrees minus 2 degrees. Okay, and 90 degrees minus 2 degrees. Okay, now 78 can be 90 minus 12. Okay, now see here. Cos 2 degrees equal to what? Cos 2 degrees. Okay, now it is in the form of sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, all for sin 90 minus theta means it comes under first quadrant. All are positive. So 9 is an odd number. So sin changing into cos. Okay. So cos 2 degrees minus cos 2 degrees. Okay? Okay, here we have to write since sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay? Sin 90 degrees minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay? Cos theta. Okay, now equal to, now cos 2 degrees, cos 2 degrees get cancelled. Why? Same term with the opposite symbol. They can get cancelled. Okay, so cos 2 degrees minus cos 2 degrees equal to 0.
Sorry, 20 power. 20 power left.
Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Cos 2 degrees minus cos 2 degrees equal to 0. 0. Okay? Now, in the same way we have to do all the problems. Okay? So now we are going to discuss about the what we thought about. That is nothing but find the y of cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. So in the 30, you need to angle 31 plus 59 equal to 90. Okay, 31 plus 59 equal 90 degrees. So we are taking any one angle. So I am taking 31 degrees. So equal to cosec 90 minus 59. 90 degrees minus 59 degrees. 59 degrees. Okay, minus sec 59 degrees. Okay, sec 59 degrees. Okay, now 31 can be 90 degrees minus 59 degrees. So cosec 90 minus theta. What to consider now I have got to 9 hard number. So trigonometric ratio is we change. Okay, so cosec 90 minus 59 equal to sec 59 degrees. Okay, y cosec 90 minus theta equals sec theta. Okay, so sec 59 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. Okay? Here we have to write the upper formula. Okay? Cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. Okay, sec theta. Okay, so sec 59 degrees, sec 59 degrees. Both are equal with the opposite number. So they can get cancelled. Okay, sec 59 minus sec 59 equals 0. Okay, so therefore cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees equal to 0. That you have to write the conclusion. Okay, now fourth problem. Fourth one. Find the value of sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees. Okay, sec 75 degrees. Okay, sec 75 degrees. Okay, now 15 plus 75 equal to 90. So we have changed any one angle. So our sec let us change the angle 75 degrees. So 75 degrees can be just 90 minus 15. Okay, equal to sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees into sec 90 minus 15 degrees. Okay, sec 90 minus 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Okay, equal to sin 15 degrees into sin 15 degrees into sec 90 minus theta. Cosec theta. So cosec 15 degrees. Okay, so cosec 15 degrees. Cosec 15 degrees. Okay, here we have to write the formula sec 90 minus theta equals cosec theta. Sec 90 minus theta equal to 90 degrees minus theta equal to cosec theta. Cosec theta. Okay, like 90 minus theta equals theta. Here, what is the value of theta? 15 inches. So, 315 degrees into cosec 15 inches. Okay, now sin 15 degrees into cosec 15 degrees equal to 1. Okay, sin 15 degrees into cosec 15 degrees equal to 1. Okay, why sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1? Here theta equal to 15 degrees. So 15, 15. Same angle. Okay, sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. So equal to 1. Here we have to write sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Sin theta into cosec theta equal to cosec theta equal to 1. So I can't count the sin 15 degrees into cosec 15 degrees equal to 1. So therefore sin 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees equal to 1. Okay, that is the conclusion we have to write. Okay, this is your fourth problem. Okay, now we are going to see about fifth problem. Okay? Now what is fifth problem? Tan 26 degrees into tan 26 degrees into tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Tan 64 degrees. Okay? Tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. So 64, 26 by 64. 26 to 64 equals 90. So theta under theta equals 90. So we are taking any one angle. So at a thing tan 26 degrees. Now tan 26 degrees can be written as tan 90 minus 64 degrees. Okay, tan 90 degrees minus 64 degrees. Okay, into tan 64 degrees. Okay, tan 64 degrees. Okay, now 90 minus 64 what? 90 minus 64. Now tan 90 minus theta. Okay, tan 90 minus theta equals cot theta. So cot 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Okay, cot 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Okay, tan 64 degrees. Okay, here we have to write the formula tan 90 minus theta equals cot theta. Tan 90 degrees minus theta equal to 90 degrees minus theta equal to cot theta. Okay, that is the formula we are using in this problem. Okay, now cot 64 into tan 64. Cot theta into tan theta. We know that tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. So, according to that concept, 64, 64, same angle. So, tan theta, cot theta. So, we can get 1. So, equal to 1. So, therefore, cot 64 into tan 64 equal to 1. Since tan theta into cot theta equal to tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Okay, so therefore tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees equal to 1. Okay, that conclusion we have to write. Okay, that is your first bit. Okay, now we are going to enter into the second bit. Okay, Now we are going to discuss about exercise 11.3 second bit. What is second bit? So that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. Okay? So don't confuse here. Here 4 different angles are given. Okay? Now we have to choose 2 angles. Okay? Such that the sum of the 2 angles is equal to 90 degrees or not, we have to verify first of all. Okay? Afterwards, which sum of the 2 angles is equal to 90 degrees, we have to identify. And afterwards, in that 2 angles, we have to change any one angle. Okay? Now, tan 48 degrees was 16 degrees. Tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees. Okay? Now, add 48 to 16, 64. Okay? That is not equal to 90. So, we should not take these 2 angles. Okay? Now, 48 to 42. 90. So we have to choose any one angle, either tan 48 or tan 42. Okay, now 16 plus 42, 16 plus 42, 52, 58. Not equal to 90. Okay, now 42 plus 74, it is more than 90. Means what? Theta under theta is not equal to 90 degrees. So we should not take these 2 values also. Okay, now we have to take 16 to 74 degrees. 74 plus 16 equal to what? 90. So theta under theta 2 equal to 90 degrees. So what we get? These 2 angles form a pair. Okay, and these 2 angles form a pair. Okay, in that way we have to take. Okay, whatever we have to find whether theta under theta to equal 90 degrees or not. Okay, if theta under theta to equal 90 degrees, then we have to change any one angle. If 2 angles are given. For suppose if 4 angles are given, then we have to change any 2 angles. Okay, vice versa. Okay. Now, equal to tan 48 degrees. Tan 48 degrees can be written as tan 90 degrees minus 42 degrees. Okay? Into 16 changing as tan 90 degrees minus 74 degrees. Tan 90 degrees minus 74 degrees. Okay? 74 degrees. Okay? Now we change it to 2 angles now. So there is no need to change these 2 angles. Okay? These 2 angles are as it is. Okay? So tan 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Tan 74 degrees. Okay, now equal to, now apply tan 90 minus theta cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta cot theta. What is theta by 42? So cot 42 degrees. Cot 42 degrees into tan 90 minus 74 equal to cot 74. So cot 74 degrees cos 74 degrees into tan 42 degrees. Tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Okay, tan 74 degrees. Okay, here we have to the formula tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Cot theta. Okay? Okay, now 42. Same angle. So you have to take the same angle one side. Okay? So I am maintaining the same angles in one bracket. So we can easily understand. Okay? So that is nothing much tan 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees into cot 42 degrees, cot 42 degrees, completion, 42 degree angle completion now. So cut the bracket. Okay, now into, again open the bracket. Okay, into tan 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees into 74 degrees into cot 74 degrees. Okay, cot 74 degrees. Okay, now see tan 42 into cot 42 1 into tan 74 into cot 74 1 because in the two technologies angle is same and also here also the angle is same. So we can apply the formula tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Okay, that we have to write here. Since tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Okay? So 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 1 the 1. So equal to 1. Okay, therefore tan 48 degrees into tan 15 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees equal to 1. Okay, that conclusion we have to write here. Okay, after completing the total half on the problem. Okay, read out. Now, second problem we are going to discuss. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the second problem. Okay, that is nothing but show that cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees equal to 0. Okay? Now see here, in the given problem, 36 plus 54 equal to 90. So theta under theta 2 equal to 90. So we have seen any one angle. Okay? But here four different four terms are given, but only in that four terms any two angles are equal. Okay? So we have changed any one side. Means what? Either we have changed the total cost terms. Okay? Or we have changed any total sin terms. Okay? Now for convenience, I am changing the cos terms. Okay? Cos 36 meters cos 90 minus 54 degrees. Okay, cos 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. Okay, into cos 90 degrees minus 54 now. 54 can be done 90 minus 36. Okay, so cos 90 degrees minus 36 degrees. Okay, minus the term is as it is. Okay, so sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Sin 54 degrees. Okay, now equal to cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So sin 54 degrees sin 54 degrees minus cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So sin 54 degrees into sin 36 degrees. Okay, sin 36 degrees minus sin 54 degrees into sin 36 degrees. Okay, sin 36 degrees. Okay, here we have to write the formula. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to 90 minus theta equal to 90 degrees minus theta equal to sin theta. Sin theta. Okay, now see here, sin 54 degrees into sin 36 degrees. Okay, here sin 36 into sin 54 is there. But here sin 54 into sin 36 is there. That's what I converted this sin 36 into sin 54 as sin 54 into sin 36. A into B equals B into A. Commutative property under multiplication. 2 into 3 equal to 6. 3 into 2 equal to 6. So in both ways, if you multiply, and your answer is same. So A into B equals B into A under commutative property. Under commutative property of multiplication. Okay? So sin 36 into sin 54 degrees equal to sin 54 degrees into sin 36 degrees. So both terms are same with the opposite symbol. So they can get cancelled. So what is remaining? 0. Okay, therefore cos 36 into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees equal to 0. Okay, now we have to write here conclusion part. Okay, this is today's class. In next class we can discuss the remaining problems. Okay, thank you.